Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add new signature or signature in Microsoft Outlook. So if you want to add signature or new signature in your Microsoft Outlook, what you have to do? First of all, here you will see like this. Now here you will see this setting option at the top. Okay, now click on this setting option. Now here you will see many options here. So focus, inbox, general options, email, calendar, people. So if you want to add the signature, what you have to do, just click on this email option, and here you will see compose and reply option. Now you have to click on this compose and reply, and here you will see new message or new signature option. So just click on this, and here you have to just name the signature, edit the signature name. Okay, now I'm going to signature name my signature. Okay, like this. Now here you can say name, designation. Okay, company email id, like this. And here you will see you can insert your company logo from here, insert picture and line. You can also format the paint, you can font size, you can change the font size. Okay, you can change the font size. So like this, font size, you can change font size and bold the letter and many options here. Okay, now after that, here you will see select default signature. You can select the default signature for, you can select a different signature for different things, like for new messages you can select another, for replies and forward you can select another. And here you will also say message format, message in HTML or plain. You can also change all these things, and after that you can save it. Okay, like this I'm going to save it. So whenever you do this, uh, you can easily choose here for new message my signature, and for new message my signature, and also click on save. So like this you can create signature in your Microsoft Outlook. If you like this video, please like my video, also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.